In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money to your Huobi exchange account. If you want to create an account, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here and follow all the steps along. And you will be eligible for a bonus of up to $170 in a bonus, where you just have to complete these simple tasks and then you will get some nice rewards for it. Alright, if you click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and to open an account, you simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. And the first thing we can do is to enable two-factor authentication. And to do that, we simply go up here to our account and then click on Account and Security. Down here, as you can see, I already used the Google Authenticator. You will just have to click on link right here, and then you can link the Google Authenticator or your phone or email, whatever you want, but then you have a second layer of security for your account. The second thing we can do is to verify our identity. And to do that, we go back up here to our profile and then just click on identification. Once you're here, you can just do the verification right here. As you can see, I already did it. That's why I have these two check marks and it says approve right here. You can just scroll down here and look whatever limits you need or whatever type of accounts you want to need. If you just want to use the exchange, or maybe you want to use the derivatives account, then you can just choose the level, whichever one you need, and then just pass the verification right here. Once we're done with that, we can now deposit money to our account. And the first thing I want to show you is how to deposit crypto. And to do that, we just go up here to balance and then click on Asset Overview. On this page right here, we just get an overview of all of our assets that we have on our account. As you can see, we can see the total balance up here. In my case, I have roughly $100. And down here, you can see we have different accounts, like an exchange account, a margin account, a fiat, a derivatives account. So you can transfer money between all of these, whatever you need. If you, for example, want to trade derivatives, you need money on this account. If you just want to trade money for another cryptocurrency, you can leave it on the exchange account. However, whatever crypto we deposited will always appear first in the exchange account. All right, so let's deposit money. We can just click on deposit right here or here, it doesn't matter. Let's click on deposit. And then we get to this page where we can now deposit any coin. Right here on the left, you can select the coin you want to deposit. On the right here, you can choose the network, and here you will always see the address where you can deposit money to. So in this case, I have US dollar Tether selected. Now you can choose the network. ERC20 is of course the normal network, but you could also use the Tron network, for example. Just copy the address and then send it from another exchange or wallet through this network that you have chosen, and then the money will be credited to your account right here. So you can also of course do that with another currency. Let's say, for example, you want to deposit Bitcoin, we can select Bitcoin, choose the network, for example, just a normal Bitcoin network. Here's the Bitcoin address, copy it, and then we can send Bitcoin to this address and it will appear right in our Huobi account. So you can do that with any currency that you can see down here. So there are a lot of currencies that are supported on Huobi. So choose whichever one you want and then you can deposit crypto to your account. If you don't have any crypto yet that you can deposit right here, you can of course also use your fiat money to buy crypto directly on the platform and deposit fiat. So you can do that if you just go up here to buy crypto and just click on that. And here you can use a third-party service to deposit money or to buy a cryptocurrency directly on the platform with your local currency. As you can see, you need to pass this verification down here, and then you can use, for example, your Visa card, your MasterCard, or you can also use a bank transfer. In this case, if you're in Europe, you can use the SEPA transfer. But just go here to the right, choose the currency, whichever one you want to deposit. So as you can see, these are all the fiat currencies that are supported. Of course, you can use the US dollar right here, or you can of course just use euro in my case. Now I can type in how much I want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit $500. Then down here, I can choose which currency I want. So these are possible. Let's just go for US dollar Tether in this case. And then we can choose if we want to use a credit card or we want to use a bank transfer, for example. Let's go for credit card and just click on buy USDT down here. And then we get to this third-party service where we can see again how much we're paying and how much we're receiving. In this case, this US dollar Tether amount. Just have to agree right here, and then you can click on that, and then you will have to enter your card information and all that, and then you will get the money directly within the platform right here on your account. Once you're done with the deposit, you can of course check if the money has arrived. If you just go up here to balance and then just click on Asset Overview, and then you can check the balances right here and see if the money has already arrived. Don't forget to create an account on Huobi Global by using the link down from the video description to get the $170 of bonus. If you click on the link below this video, you will get to this page right here where you can create your account and you'll be eligible for all the bonuses. Also subscribe to the channel to not miss out on any new crypto tutorials, and if you have any questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.